Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to do word by word fade in or fade out tag animations on CapCut. So if you guys didn't know, there is a new feature where you can adjust the text animations to apply by word or by sentence. So here I'm going to just add the text first. Okay, for example, like this. And after that, I'm going to just go to animation, and in here I'm going to add the fade in animation first. Now here, when you click on the animations, there will be an option to adjust more, so you can just click on adjust more and now change the settings, the animation style to by word. Okay, so now it will fade in by word like this, and just click on a check icon. So now the result will go like this. Okay, I'm going to copy the tags to add the fade out example. Okay, I'm going to remove the fade in first. Okay, now I'm going to click out and add fade out animation. You can just do the same, click on adjust more and go with by word, or you can also use it by character like this. I'm going to just go by word and click on a check icon. So now your tags will go like this. It will have a fade in and fade out animations by word. Okay, so that's all for me. I hope this tutorial will be helpful. Don't forget to click thanks or like this video, comment and subscribe. Thank you.